Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods. What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Ain't pretty? Now today, as you can see my work here, it's all clean. I'm in my kitchen, you know, my usual spot. But you know what happened? We're not doing any cooking today. Utensils are all washed and everything. Today is about thanking you all. I want to give you thanks. I want to say thanks to you all. If you can remember, I'd asked in one of my videos for you all to help me to reach 100 subscribers by the end of July. And you know what happened? You've been so awesome to me. I'm now 200 and counting. So I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you all to my new subscribers that have been coming in so much, those that started the journey, Dessert Bites, Teacher Stuart, Shireen. I'm just naming a few. I've got to get all of your names together and do a shout out video. So don't be all anybody would I'm not really like highlighting names. I'm just saying thank you. Thank you so much. It is an honor. I'm so humbled, right? And I know it's all because of your support, all because of your viewership, all because of you sharing the videos. Thank you to my viewers who are not subscribers as well. And I hope in the long run, you'll become subscribers. So today, it's just all thank you so much. I'm so humbled to be this little Jamaican woman. You know, YouTube is a whole big elaborate place, all of that. And to be this humble little Jamaican woman in our humble little Jamaican kitchen, bringing to you the best of Jamaican cuisine. Okay, so I'm just so humbled to know that you have all reached out to me and to let me be on YouTube and to continue to be going on. So today it's all about saying thank you all. I love you so much. And in Jamaica I would say, yeah man, are the blessings. It's all about the blessings. So you know, I just want to say thank you so much. I love you. I appreciate you all. You have been so awesome. So it's just a thank you, shout out to you all. You know yourselves, subscribers, viewers, everybody. And you know what? The best is yet to come. Those videos where the Jamaican potato pudding, fire top, ella top, ella bottom potato pudding in a miggle. Right? Them say hallelujah and a miggle, but in a my miggle it's gonna be melt in your mouth potato pudding. Just to name a few of the videos. The original pig's tail stew peas with white rice. Yes man. The red pea soup with the salt beef. The pepper pot soup. They're all there. They're coming up. I have the jerk chicken marinade on the channel. We did the jerk chicken video, but actually unfortunately we lost it, so it's there. It's coming up anytime soon, so you all look out for that jerk chicken video right in my backyard from my jerk pan. Okay, so just to name a few of the so many videos that are left to come. So it's once more from my kitchen, from my heart, from my family to you all. It's thank you.